How to fix mouse delay on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the mouse delay issue in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your computer search bar and then type in Device Manager. Open it. Now find Mice and Other Pointing Devices and double click on it. Select the mouse that appears and then go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for the drivers to check if you have the best version installed, and next adjust the mouse settings. Open the computer search again and then type in mouse settings. Go to the system settings, click on additional mouse options, and in the buttons tab set the double click speed to fast. Go to the pointers tab and select none for the pointer scheme. In the Pointers option tab, uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision and set the speed to fast. Finally, click on Apply and then OK, and if you prefer a slower speed, you can adjust it accordingly. I hope this helps. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.